What's up, guys? Today we are in Chesley, Ontario, and we're doing something a little different. We are fishing for the smallest fish we can get today. We're going to keep one or two, hopefully bass, but who knows, and take them home and put them in the fish tank. Have some new pets. There's tons of little fish right here, so hopefully we get something good. Bass would be great. My 5-year-old Jeremy, he's over here today too, catching some fish, having some fun. We'll check in with him a little bit later, see what he's pulling up. I don't know if you can see that, but there is tons of little fish staring at my worm. I think they're a little too small, but it's pretty much what we're here for. Something small enough for the fish tank at home. What I really wanted was a pond and stock it up, but this would be the next best option. We got another one. Oh no, he came off. I'd like to get a bass, but they seem to be a little too small. A couple sunfish in the tank would be pretty cool too. These tiny little guys. Probably about 20 of them right here, all fighting over this little piece of worm. Oh, one just took the rest off.
Got it, Mom. Oh, good job. Oh, is he off?
That's sunfish. Get off. The blood. Look. Goddamn.
Feel it. Oh, look what he caught. It's a big stick. Look at that. What a big fish.
What a big fish they caught.
You didn't take your worm, that's good.
Mommy, I took a fish. That was a big fish.
No.
Caught a big fish, Mom. You see that big fish?
Yeah, see it. Good catch.
Yeah. Let me rip it in half. I'm going to put it in. What? How is it still moving?
Pull it. Get it. Woo!
Oh,
Oh, he let himself go.
Oh.
I'm getting cast away. That's pretty good. Go on. Go on. No. Go on. Go on.
Fell over.
A big one.
Mm-hmm.
A big one. What's the big one?
There's a little.
I can't catch one anymore. I need to get another one.
We are just having a blast out here today, catching all these little ones. Like there are so many. You have it in there for a second and whoop, there's another. Oh, we let go. We're gonna throw a bunch in the cooler and then the couple smallest ones we'll take home. Ah, there's another one. What is it? Oh yeah, he is pretty small. Oh, I'll put him in there for now. Where is he? Oh, you left some of the worm in there for him. He might be a little big, but we're gonna see if we can get smaller than that. So now we're gonna take the two smallest ones in here and take them home, put them in the fish tank. You gotta try and get the biggest one out. You catch him? No, that's a small one. Keep him in there. Catch the bigger one.
Can't get another.
Oh, I know, they're fast.
Caught a big one.
Where'd he go? Oh, I got him.
Caught a small one.
There we go. Throw him back in.
There's another big one.
You got the big one? Okay, throw him back in. Catch him another day. Boom. Okay, now we're back at the house and we're gonna put the fish into the fish tank. Like a little habitat for them here. Go ahead and dump this in. Some of the river water here. Go. Oop. There they are. There we go, our own pet sunfish. I have to get some more plants and stuff to add in there later on. So we now have these little tiny sunfish in their own little world here. That was kind of planted in the rocks there. We're gonna have to get some more dirt and rocks. Once these guys get a little bigger, I gotta upgrade the tank, get a bigger one. Well, the guy that was playing in the rocks is starting to get out and about now. Hey, little guy. We're gonna have to give these guys some names. If you guys have got any name suggestions, drop them in the comment box below. We'll name these guys. But that's all we got for you today. We had fun catching so many little sunfish, rock bass. Well, if you guys liked today's video, hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. And we'll have to do some more videos like this, get some updates on the fish. If you got some names for them, yeah, just leave them in the comment box and we'll figure out what to name these guys. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.